Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are riding. Like I told you guys, I'm gonna do more rides this year. I got invited to ride the Twisties on the Kissimmie River with Barney. We just got to the ramp. I'm the last one because I'm the new guy. So let's go talk to some of these guys. We were driving this way and ow, yeah. What the heck was on the road?
There's a little baby gator in the middle of the road.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Oh, you didn't see it?
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, it dipped one way. Unfortunately, I was able to dip the other so I didn't run him over.
Well, you saved the baby alligator.
Absolutely.
So, Al, what are we doing?
We're going to run the Kissimmie River.
All right,
today.
The Twisties.
We're going to run the Twisties up to the point where they end, and then we'll go over and have a little picnic lunch.
Cool.
We're not going to go all the way to River Ranch today.
Nice.
Yep. So,
cool.
It should be a lot of fun.
How many people in this ride?
I think we've got 11 today.
Oh, that's cool. So you like your rides small?
Yeah, this is relatively small. I try to keep them small, maybe a couple more than this, but yeah.
And not too many crazy people.
Not too many crazy people. Definitely.
So he has enough with me. Al, I got invited by Al to come and do the Twisties, and he likes small groups, like he just said. It's kind of interesting. It's different. We'll do this and see.
Should be a lot of fun.
Yeah,
absolutely.
See how it goes.
Yeah, definitely.
Hi.
Hello.
All right, here we go, guys. Everybody's here. The water's nice and coffee like. All right, we are ready to go. I think I'm gonna stay behind and be the last one, since I'm the new guy. Yep. It smells funny. Woo! Smells like sewer. Definitely don't want to go swimming on this. Oh man, yeah, this is fun. This is a lot of fun.
So this is like a little collection spot here.
Yeah.
Stop here, make sure everybody's good.
Yep.
Before we really get into it.
Yeah.
And do a shot.
Oh. Do a shot. I am definitely gonna take the exhaust off. I think it's just this ski is not a race ski, so it's a little too loud for me for my own comfort. So I want to ride something that is completely white. So, and this is not it. So we'll definitely put it back to stock. Uh-oh. Al wants to give me happy juice.
Gatorade Zero.
Gatorade Zero, huh? We're gonna go get some Gatorade Zero.
Trust me, hang around with us long enough, you're gonna learn to maneuver.
I know. I'm new to all this stuff. Gatorade.
All right, cheers, guys. Woo! Yeah, the water's high. Usually when it's a little lower, there's like some beach areas.
Yeah.
And that's when you'll see a ton of gators because they come up on the beach.
Yeah.
You might not see as many, but keep your eyes peeled. You'll see a couple. How's the right?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm a little rusty.
Get on up.
I'm lost. I don't even know which way to go. I got the rookie finger. My rookie finger's getting tired.
How'd you like that? Tell that to the gator that just went down behind you. That's funny. Yeah, for a long time, when we first started coming here, we couldn't get anywhere near this area. It was way, way back.
Oh, wow.
We started coming here in 2009. When they were just starting to let the river go back to its natural state.
Yeah.
So you could only ride to a certain spot and then it was blocked off. You couldn't go any further. So we'd hook our feet together into skis and see how we're getting pushed back right now by the river?
Yeah.
We'd eat lunch and let the river just push us back. It'll actually take you around the corners.
Huh.
It's pretty cool.
So there's a strong current that way.
Yeah.
Oh, no wonder this thing is slow. I'm like, why is my Jetski so slow? I'm like, so I'm pushing against the current.
Definitely a strong current.
Ah, I got you. Okay.
Be a little faster going back.
Now I know.
Yeah, but yeah. So by the time we were able, this is the bombing range.
Yeah.
By the time we were able to come up here, we were out of our skin, man.
Look at
You know,
that.
yeah, it took probably 3-4 years before you could get this far.
Look at that.
Yeah.
So they left the river do its thing.
Yeah. What they did back, I don't know, in the 60s or something, the Army Corps of Engineers dredged a straight line from Lake Kissimmie, which feeds this, to Lake Okeechobee.
No kidding.
They thought it would be better for drainage and
Yes.
all that stuff. But what they found out over the years was that they were killing all the wildlife. All the fish that were, the bass and stuff were gone. It was all junk fish. So they decided to eventually start letting it go back to its natural state.
Look at that. That's interesting.
This is what that you're seeing.
And this is what we got.
Yeah.
Man, this current is strong.
It is.
Look at this. That's crazy.
Yeah, if you shut off, we'd shut off and just float.
Wow. No wonder I'm slow. I was trying to wonder. I said, why is this thing so slow? That's funny. Yeah, this is definitely a trip.
Don't get too close to the wings.
Yeah. Definitely a trip. trip that you guys want to do? How much gas you got?
I don't know what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars. These go to 10.
Oh, okay. I got 6,
6?
7, 8. I guess
They start off full?
Full, completely all the way to the top.
Oh, okay. Alright. Then you're good.
We'll see.
Yeah.
It has a reflash. We'll see. All right, so here we go. Now we're going with the current. For all of those, including me, that don't know how many miles is the Twisties?
25.
Wow, that's 25 miles of fun. If you haven't done this, you have to do it.
Straight away is about 4 miles. You get to the lock. You go through the lock, then there's another 9 miles to get to River Ranch.
Nice. I was there once.
River Ranch?
Yeah. I ate gator. It was
All
chew.
these guys.
So yeah, that's another one that we gotta do. So you will think, looking at this water, that it will be muddy, but it's not. It's just dark sand. That helps. It does smell kind of funny.
It does.
Yeah. So hey, Hal.
Uh-huh.
So we're walking down this road.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Picnic table over there under these beautiful trees with Spanish moss
Look at
hanging all
this.
over them.
This is why you have to do this right with someone that know what they're doing. I would have thought of stopping here and there's a picnic table in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, we never used to. Like I said, we always went to River Ranch. Once we could go to River Ranch, that was the thing to do.
Yeah.
But, you know, now we've been doing it so often, we decided to do some more exploring around here. It's still fun.
Oh, this is pretty cool.
You busy reading the signs or taking a picture of?
Time to eat. Well, that was fun. We went to the picnic area and now we're heading back.
Yeah, that was a good time. Good ride.
Yeah, it's a good ride. I like it.
You too. You too. I'm all sweaty.
Yeah, me too.
All right, so you
Yes.
you're gonna be on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm an awesome rider with Al riding.
You know what? I'm impressed. You too. Oh my God, you guys were kicking my butt.
You betcha!
These
Bitches know how to ride!
I know, I can't keep up with
I
her.
know, it's crazy.
Well, it was nice to meet you.
Yes,
Hopefully
yes.
we'll ride again.
Yes,
Great meeting.
absolutely,
And your
absolutely.
wife will come this time.
Oh, you know, honey.
Well, she'll see how wonderful we were.
Yeah.
It was nice meeting you.
Yeah, man.
Okay, we'll see you again.
Met all these awesome people that know how to ride. These guys ride all the time. They got a ton of hours.
Does know how to ride.
Nice meeting you.
meeting you. See you next time. Nice meeting
Sir.
you. Take care.
Yes.
Great ride. It's a great ride.
Yeah.
Yes, it's awesome fun.
Same here.
I love this ride. It's my favorite.
I know, isn't it?
It's insane.
Yeah, it's my favorite now. I mean, definitely.
There's nothing like it.
Yeah. Sir, it was nice meeting you. I know you're.
I just don't want to get anybody sick.
You're one of those. You're one of
No,
those.
I give a hug. I just because she tells me your head's up your ass.
It was nice meeting you.
That's when I,
You too. Take care.
when I'm back on the
Let me tell you guys, this was fun. I highly recommend it. And if you got someone who's done it before, it helps because sometimes it gets really, really tricky. And they all done it a million times. They know what they were doing, but I got lost. I didn't know where I was going at one point. I got behind a little bit and no idea. But yeah, if you got someone who's done it before and they know what they're doing, or a GPS helps too.
GPS.
Al cheats. He has a GPS on his jet ski. Look at that thing.
Al was coming up here long before Al had a GPS.
I hope you guys enjoy the ride, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.
Yeah.